Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying your account and session. Make sure you're logged in and not on a secondary account. Once done, clear the browser cache, cookies, and local storage for the C.ai domain because stale data often breaks search. Also disable extensions such as ad blockers or privacy tools to rule out interference. This eliminates common client-side blockers. If you use multiple profiles, switch to a plain profile to isolate the environment and continue with a clean baseline. Next, you test connectivity and client settings because search often fails due to network or DNS problems. First, switch networks, try Wi-Fi, a mobile hotspot, or another router to see if the problem follows your ISP. Then open an incognito window or a fresh browser profile to bypass stored configurations. Make sure to flush DNS and, if needed, temporarily set DNS to 8 or 1. This removes DNS resolution issues. Finally, check local firewall rules and corporate proxies. For final steps, you perform deeper diagnostics so you can either resolve it or provide useful info to support. Open DevTools and inspect console logs for errors or failed network requests. Copy error messages and request ID. Then try a different device or the mobile app to confirm whether the issue is device-specific. If it persists, gather logs, exact steps, account ID, and timestamps and contact C.ai support. Key tip: include console errors. Support uses them to pinpoint backend.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.